Well, back on 67. Motherfucking frames welded up there. Gotta work on that. Got this piece off here. Working on this here. Alright, y'all. Welcome back. Show y'all this fucking Ford a little more. So far, I've gotten a little bit more done since the last video. Cross members rotting right there where it leaked from the roof. So, got this painted up. All that's welded. Welded that full. I'm gonna drill a hole through it like I did on this side. Put all that back together. Fix that spot. Paint up the rest of the frame, sand it down. But I'm gonna be getting it out of this shop because it's in the way of other things that need to be moved and worked on, and it's messy in here. This one needs to be grinded down, welded in. All right, y'all. I got a little bit more done after some metal splinters and such. 1 second here. Damn, ain't nowhere to set nothing, and things are falling too. All right, that's what I got so far. I got that hooked back up, tripod barred it down, bolted it in, and I welded it fucking on there. Can't turn this thing around. Nope. She's welded. I can't even zoom it in on this. Alright, but y'all get the point. She's welded. It might not look pretty, but it's gonna fucking do the trick. Go down the road. This motherfucker don't even go 50 miles an hour unless you're ready to blow it up. Fucking check out the bike though. She's sad. Needs a cam gear. Oh, I'm gonna get this switched around. Alright, here we go. That's looking way better. Get that painted. Probably another night I'll get that painted. Got some Bondo on it. Anybody in the comments could tell me how old this Bondo is right here? I'd like to know. She's sturdy though. Good thing I put it on them jack stands. Alright, y'all. That's it. Thanks for watching.